Because he was with Rajkumar Shukla, who was also a poor yeoman,
Yes.
and also
Okay.
Gandhi was best. Simple. Yes.
They knew Rajkumar, who pestered. Use these words because they are there in the chapter. Pestered their master to help the sharecroppers. Okay, and since he was with this thing and he was dressed similarly, similar to a poor peasant. Okay, that is why they must have.
सर ह्यूमन क्या था, मीनिंग
Yo
क्या है?
man, वही farmer, poor farmer.
ओके
Okay. That's it. Okay. Now other people will also. Parsha, you will not speak. Other people will tell me the answer to the second one. With Rajkumar Shukla, ये वाला clear है. इससे आगे कुछ नहीं लिखना है, इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Why do you think the servants sought Gandhi to be another peasant? Because he arrived with Rajkumar Shukla, knew Rajkumar who pestered their masters to help the sharecroppers. So they thought, since he dressed similarly to a peasant, he must be another peasant. And if you want to mention the incident of the well, where they did not even allow him to draw water out of the well because he might be untouchable, you can even give that. But very short. What was the sharecropping arrangement? Okay, I will ask you. Let me see how many people are here. Aditya, बता दो. बहुत easy है. आदित्य. शशांकी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. What was the sharecropping arrangement? Tell me. I'll write.
Sorry, sir. I don't read the chapter, so I can't able to answer it.
But you were like, didn't you watch the video at least?
No, sir.
तो क्या करूं मैं अब? तुषार के पास माइक नहीं है. और कौन बचा? तनुश्री. तनुश्री. I mean, this is the simplest question you will ever answer in this chapter, right? Somdatta.
Put the lamps on rent and
Okay, got it. ठीक है, you know the answer at least. फिर कौन बोलेगा? Abhinav, do you know the answer? Can you tell us? Abhinav? Okay, मैं ही पढ़ा लेता हूँ अपने आप को. Land owned by? Who owned the land?
Englishman.
Right. Then, okay, anybody else who wants to
All the
answer?
production.
सुकन्या बता देगी. सुकन्या. सुकन्या. ये अच्छा तरीका है ना. काश मेरे साथ, मतलब मेरे को होते ना ऑनलाइन क्लास में, मैं बच्चा होता तो मैं भी ऐसे ही करता. बोलते रहे, उनको आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है. ठीक है. लैंड ओन्ड बाय इंग्लिशमैन. देन they forced
All of the production was.
They cultivate indigo
forced to
and
give
all
it
of
to
that had to
them
given
to
as rent.
cultivate indigo on
Indigo.
at least
15%.
15% of their arable like, or you can say arable land, यहाँ पे लिख देना arable land,
Arable book में था.
ठीक है, of there, and then took all the produce as
As rent.
rent. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा क्या है? The problem is like some people have not even watched the video. It's very disappointing. वीडियो तो ऐसे खाते खाते भी देख सकते हो, सोते सोते भी देख सकते हो. Anyways. Okay. Next one. Which incident, according to Gandhi, was the beginning of their liberation from the fear of British? This is a good question.
मैं बताऊँ क्या सर?
और कोई है? Anybody else who can answer? शोरबानी?
सब मोबाइल पे चले जाते हैं शायद.
Then there is no point ना, मोबाइल रख के चले भी जा रहे हैं तो फिर वो क्या ही कर रहे हैं, इससे अच्छा तो आए ना, right? Or maybe they don't know the answer and then they don't speak. That is these are the two of like probabilities, right? Souvik, are you there?
Sir, question दिखाइए ना sir.
Which incident, according to Gandhi, was the beginning of the liberation from the fear of British?
Sir, Sovic replied in chat.
Okay. Do you know the answer, Souvik? Dekho. Let's go to that passage. Morning found the town of Motihari. So now this is that incident. Okay. Varsha, do you want to first tell us before we read that?
आप बता
हाँ,
दीजिए.
okay. नहीं बताओ.
नहीं, मैंने और एक इंसिडेंट सोचा था 25% compensation का.
Okay, that was later.
मैंने
That was definitely there, but this was before that. Okay. So morning found the town of Motihari black with peasants. They did not know Gandhi's record. So earlier we read this, that Gandhi had talked about with the lawyers that going to the courts is of no use unless the fear from these peasants of the British is gone, right? So they had to. Gandhi was very, very particular about taking that fear out of these peasants. So when he found out that there was a case against him and he was summoned to the court. So when he went to the court, he saw that the crowd, the number of people that had come there, that had gathered there for him, right? So morning found the town Motihari black with peasants. They did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. They had merely heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities. Their spontaneous demonstration in thousands around the courthouse was the beginning of their liberation from the fear of the British. Okay? So you will write it in your own words. Like Gandhi was summoned to court when people gathered of Motihari, people of Motihari.
Sir, will you share it in the classroom?
The PPT?
Yes, sir.
I can share it. Don't need to write it. Gathered in large numbers for showing their support to Gandhi. Okay. Now, seeing, you write, continue writing. इधर इतना लिख के छोड़ नहीं दोगे. Because the question जैसा बोला है उसी question को उसी भाषा में आंसर करोगे. At seeing this, Gandhi said that this was the beginning. पूरा यहाँ से करके All right, that's it. That's the answer. Now, next one. What were the conflict of duties? If you remember the incident from the courthouse, right? This was from there. There were some conflict of duties that he mentioned about. What were those conflict of duties? What was that diplomatic answer that he gave to the court?
As
His
because he was
conscience
also a
doesn't allow
lawyer,
him to
so he
leave
cannot
the district.
break rules. And also he was also a human being and cannot.
So the first conflict, the first thing was that he was a barrister and thus did not want to.
सर बैरिस्टर और लॉयर में डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
डिफरेंस होता है बैरिस्टर लॉयर एंड एडवोकेट में, तीनों में डिफरेंस होता है. अब एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस क्या था मेरे को याद था पहले, अब याद नहीं है. मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें ग्रुप में. आई सेंड यू डिफरेंस. He was a barrister and this was and he did not want to set a bad example
as a lawbreaker.
as a lawbreaker. But next क्या था बताओ.
वही तो, he disregarded the order to leave. His conscience doesn't
allowed
give
him
him the allowance
as a human being.
to leave the district.
The humanitarian and national service, ये वाला लिखना पड़ेगा. On the other hand, to render the humanitarian and national service for which he had come, his voice of conscience doesn't allow him to leave, right? So it is not about. So ये तुम दोनों चीज लिख दोगे, बाकी explanation नहीं दोगे because वो नहीं मांगा यहाँ पे. Then you will write that. Then the voice of the conscience, voice of the conscience for a humanitarian and national service. इसको इसमें ही लिख देना जैसा बुक में लिखा है, as it is. All right. That is
सर,
हाँ.
अभिनव बोल रहा है कि कोई सर को बोलो, मैं भी चैट में आंसर दे रहा हूँ.
Okay. Being a lawyer and being a human being, correct. अरे यार कोई सर को बोल दो मैं भी आंसर दे रहा हूँ चैट में. My mic isn't working. Okay. Okay, Abhinav, I'll see your answers.
सर
Yes.
ये अंशु व्हाट्सएप में बोल रहा है उसका फेल
He's
हो
not
रहा
being
है.
able to join. सर प्लीज रिकॉर्ड करिएगा क्लास. अरे तो कोई और नेट स्लो है किसी का. सर फेल टू जॉइन द मीटिंग एवरी टाइम द सेम इशू. Maybe he doesn't have the link. Wait, let me give him the link. Anyways, till then you people think of this. मैं थोड़ा दूसरा वाला शेयरिंग लगा देता हूँ. स्क्रीन इधर उधर नहीं जाएगी. Now this question again refers to a particular incident. It is not about the whole incident. पूरा incident नहीं आएगा उसमें वाला. एक particular incident है. Civil disobedience. When
the lieutenant governor ordered that the case should be dropped against Gandhi.
yes.
And let Gandhi free.
Yep. That
Yes,
is the
liberate.
Join with your KVS ID only. All right. So what was it? When
The lieutenant governor ordered that the case against Gandhi to be dropped and set Gandhi free.
Lieutenant की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है?
T.
GENEN की है।
अभिनव ने कोई आंसर दिया है क्या? मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ।
नहीं दिया।
अच्छा, फर्स्ट आंसर भी ये था। ओके,
सर उनका नाम तो सर एडवर्ड गेट।
यस, एडवर्ड
ये
गेट।
तो
गेट कैसा नाम है?
हाँ हाँ।
Gait is also a verb. Gait is the way you walk. लाइक किसी किसी की टेढ़े टेढ़ा चलता है तो उसका गेट थोड़ा क्रुकेड है, ऐसे ऐसे करके बोलते हैं। समवन वॉक्स एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेट, समवन वॉक्स व्हाइल जंपिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा, देयर गेट, इट्स देयर गेट, द वे ऑफ देयर वॉकिंग। ओके, दैट वाज, देन यू विल राइट द फर्स्ट ट्रायम्फ ऑफ दिस थिंग। सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल सिंपल क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, बट यही सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आते भी हैं और क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे। These are simple chapters. I mean, there is nothing as complicated in them. Why? What did Gandhi agree? Why? Why did Gandhi agree to a settlement of 25% refund to the farmers?
Because
Because
for him
मतलब
money was not
it-
important and it was। तो थोड़ा कंटिन्यू करके।
मतलब वो मान तो
वर्षा,
गए।
एक मिनट रुको। हाँ, एक मिनट, मैं पूछता हूँ। वर्षा सिन्हा, तुम्हारे पास माइक है?
माइक की क्या जरूरत, मोबाइल से ही तो सुनाई देता है।
नहीं, some people join with the laptop or
हाँ
maybe
सर।
desktop. हाँ, वर्षा, do you know this answer? Any points do you want to add? कि गांधी ने उनको 75% का नुकसान क्यों कराया? नो सर। बिस्वा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, do you have anything to add?
No, sir. Means I haven't watched the video.
अरे यार,
Sir, my pack got exhausted last day, so I can't.
but I gave it in the morning, no? मॉर्निंग में कहाँ से एग्जॉस्ट हो गया?
नहीं सर, इवनिंग में दिया था ना।
मैंने
नहीं सुबह दिया था तो
I gave it
मैंने
at 11, almost 11 o'clock.
11:30
आपको देखा था।
about।
तो सुबह भी तो पैक चल जाता है ना, सुबह 6 बजे से लेके 10:50 के बीच में।
तो मैंने वो शाम को देखा कि आपने दिया, तो
ठीक है, आज सुबह?
आज सुबह तो क्लास था, देख नहीं पाया। कल तक देख लूंगा, मतलब आज देख लूंगा वो।
ओके, बिकॉज देयर इज नो पॉइंट। यहाँ पे तुम्हें अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो देन तुम यू विल, दिस इज अ वे यू कैन रिवाइज थिंग्स। ठीक है, द मोर यू रिवाइज द मोर इट स्टेज इन योर ब्रेन। दिस इज हाउ आवर ब्रेन फंक्शंस। सो इफ यू रिपीट थिंग्स देन इट स्टेज देयर फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। सो वंस वी रेड इट, देन तुमने वीडियो देखा थोड़ा, देन अगेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग द सेम थिंग, सो इट इज गोइंग टू स्टे देयर। अब अगर पहली बार अगर तुम सुन रहे हो तो ना तो तुम्हें इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीबडी हु हैज नॉट वॉच्ड द वीडियो, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू बिस्वा दैट ना तुम्हें इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा, ना लाइक ना ये डिस्कशन होगा। सो इट इज वेरी सैड। तुम लोगों को देखना चाहिए था वो वीडियो। Anyways, so why did he agree? Let me show you. Let's go back to the passage because it's always good to read what is there in the book, because बुक से लिखोगे आंसर तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है। राइट,
surrender the part of their money as well as the part of their prestige।
ये डांस हिल रहा है ना, ये चमक रहा होगा ऐसे।
कुछ चमक नहीं रहा।
लाइक इज इट okay? So what had happened is, can anyone tell me what happened? Why was there a settlement? की बात कहाँ से आ रही है?
बिकॉज मतलब ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया गया था कि अगर इंडिगो के वो कल्टीवेशन से किसी
ओके, आवाज चली गई। Wait, you're not.
नहीं दे रहा है.
हाँ, तनुश्री.
सर
हाँ, वीडियो देखा है क्या? नो सर, मैंने दे दिया आंसर. उद्दीपना.
यस सर.
हाँ, वीडियो देखा है क्या? नो सर.
नहीं.
सर आप प्रोफेसी में लग जाइए.
प्रोफेसी. हाँ, कोरोना प्रेडिक्ट कर देता हूँ मैं, वैक्सीन अब कब आएगा. ओके. दिस सेटलमेंट, देयर वाज अ सेटलमेंट दैट हैड टू बी रीच्ड. तो द थिंग इज कि जब गांधी वहां पे आया, गांधी जी वहां पे आए, ठीक है, तो क्या किया उन्होंने? Instantly, he started fighting against the sharecropping arrangement that was there. So initially, he did with the lawyers, did an internal inquiry, but then after detailed meetings and with the lieutenant governor, he agreed that okay, we will set up an official commission, and he was the one representing the peasants in that official commission. So उस कमीशन में हर जगह से लोग आए थे, from every field, who was representing the peasants. Then after that, because they had a mountain of evidence, okay, remember this, they had a mountain of evidence against the British landlords. So they then definitely had to agree that okay, we will give you the money back. But now the question was, how much money should they give back? So Gandhi said that give us 50% back. And he was very adamant about this, that okay, we need at least 50%. And then the British saw this and said that they thought उनके लिए तो हर चीज opportunity है, because they're at a higher ground. So they thought that we can bring this into a tussle as to the amount, the exact amount they had to repay them back. So then they said that we will give only 25%. And Gandhi, being Gandhi, did not fight that. Okay, did not create this into a never-ending deadlock. He broke the deadlock then and there by saying, "Fine, we agree." Instantly, उन्होंने बोला that, thinking probably that he would not give way. The representatives of the planters offered to refund the extent of 25%, and to his amazement, Mr. Gandhi took him at his word, thus breaking the deadlock. तो गांधी को जो उन्होंने गांधी को बोला, गांधी said, "Okay, fine." The settlement, now this is the answer to the question. This settlement was adopted unanimously. Unanimously क्या मतलब, कि पता है किसी को?
Without
By
any
all.
argument.
Without any conflict.
Yes, without any opposition. Everybody individually agreed to this. Okay, so unanimously by the commission, Gandhi explained that the amount of the refund was less important. This is the answer to the question. This is a very important question, and मुझे लग रहा है ये आ सकता है. तो प्रोफेसी तुम लोग जानते ही हो मेरी, तो सोच लेना. Gandhi explained that amount of this refund was less important than the fact that the landlords had been obliged to surrender part of their money, and with that, part of their prestige. That's it. ठीक है? Okay. This is, I think, done. Let's write the keywords. Why did Gandhi agree? After setting सरेंडर वर्ड यूज करा। ठीक है, coming to the next one. How did the episode change the flight of peasants? क्या हुआ था? What was the eventual outcome? बाद में जब गांधी ने ठीक कर दिया सब कुछ, they gave 25% of the land. What happened after that?
Sir, meaning of flight?
फ्लाइट होता है कि उनकी बुरी कंडीशन, जो भी उनकी बुरी कंडीशन थी जब तक, ठीक है, वो कैसे चेंज हो गई पेजेंट्स की।
इंडिगो शेयर क्रॉपिंग डिसअपियर हो गया।
Within a few
Absolutely.
years, bit spenders abandoned their estates.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. All of you are correct. Within the few years, अरे ये क्या है, मीट का लिंक कॉपी हो गया तो। This is the answer. All right. ठीक है, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है। दैट ब्रिटिश लोगों को छोड़ के जाना पड़ा, दे हैड टू इवेंचुअली लीव एंड दे हैड टू एंड ऑल द लैंड वाज रिवर्टेड। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड रिवर्टेड?
Given back.
गिवन बैक इज रिटर्न, रिवर्टेड इंडिया में बहुत गलत यूज होता है इस वर्ड का। व्हेन यू ग्रो अप ना, व्हेन यू विल बी राइटिंग ईमेल्स, you will see this word a lot and almost all of them are using this word wrong. So let me give you a short tutorial, not tutorial, brief. एक वर्ड होता है रिप्लाई, एक वर्ड होता है, चलो अभी तुमने बताया, हम इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में रिटर्न यूज कर सकते हैं, नहीं मतलब गलत है मीनिंग, बट रिटर्न विद द करेक्ट थिंग दैट यू सेइंग, एंड रिवर्ट, ठीक है। तो whenever इंडिया में लोग बोलते हैं कि प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक, ठीक है, प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो गलत है। रिवर्ट बैक इज लाइक रिपीट अगेन, ठीक है, तो वो एक तो रिडंडेंसी है। सेकेंडली, रिवर्ट का मीनिंग होता है टू गेट समथिंग टू इट्स प्रीवियस स्टेट, ओके, it can be anything. So if something was there in one state and it then changed and then was reverted to its previous state, that means restored to its previous state, उसको कहते हैं revert कर देना, okay? So let's say something was white, then you painted it black, then you want to revert it, so you paint it white again, okay? That is reverting. So earlier the land belonged to the peasants, the British landlords took over that, and then when they left it was reverted back to the peasants. That means उनका ओरिजिनली था वो, ओके। रिप्लाई मतलब होता है रिप्लाई करना। इंडिया में लोग लिखते हैं आई विल प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक इमीडिएटली, उनको लगता है कि अच्छा वर्ड है ये, रिप्लाई से अच्छा वर्ड है, इसीलिए दे यूज दिस, प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक। इन ईमेल्स दे राइट दिस, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग यूसेज, okay? You have to write reply, रिवर्ट बैक मतलब कि तुमने ईमेल लिखा, ईमेल को कैसे रिवर्ट बैक कर दोगे? यू कैन नॉट रिवर्ट बैक एन ईमेल, यू कैन नॉट टेक इट बैक टू इट्स प्रीवियस कंडीशन और स्टेट, ठीक है? तो यूज नो दिस, पूरा इंडिया यूज करता है, बड़े से बड़े सीईओ से लेके बड़े बड़े वो लोग जो भी, बट दिस इज द मोस्ट यू कैन से मिसयूज्ड, wrongly used word in Indian office scenes. Very few people know about this. Now you also do. ठीक है? How did Gandhi teach the people in Bihar a lesson in self-reliance? गांधी जी ने जब ये झंड करी थी उनकी जो बड़े बड़े लॉयर्स थे लास्ट में, तो ये वो वाली बात है, क्या किया था गांधी जी ने?
सर प्लीज रिपीट, मैंने नहीं सुना, कॉल आ गया था एडमिशन के लिए।
ओह, क्या बोला?
मैडम पीडीएफ चाहिए।
तुम still you getting calls, right? People are stupid.
मेरा ही साथ क्यों हो रहा है ये सब? उस दिन आपके शाम के क्लास के बाद फिर से आया था एक कॉल।
तो अभी तुमने बोल दिया ना उनको वेबसाइट पे चले जाओ।
मैंने बोला दूसरे नंबर पे कॉल कर दीजिए।
ओके ओके, चलो ठीक है,
आप
ये भी अच्छा है।
दूसरे अंकल ने बोला आप लोगों का कोई भी नंबर रीचेबल नहीं है, कोई रिस्पांस नहीं करता। आप
I am taking a class, so I don't answer anything right now. Okay, coming back to the question, what was the lesson in self-reliance? अच्छा, रिवर्ट वाला नहीं सुना तुमने?
नहीं।
The class is recorded, तो अभी मैं शेयर कर दूंगा पूरी क्लास, सो तुम वहां पे वो वाला पार्ट देख लेना खाली, ठीक है? So now let's come to this. This is the last question for today. All of them are short answer type questions, remember. And what was the lesson in self-reliance that Gandhi taught the people in Bihar?
The incident of वो क्या MDUs, वो इंग्लिश में।
कौन बोल रहा है?
मैं ही बोल रही हूँ।
अच्छा, वर्षा, okay. Only one person. Charles Freer Andrews वाला incident एक तो, this was an Englishman who was a devotee of Gandhi, disciple of Gandhi, and he wanted to meet Gandhi before he left to Fiji Islands. So the lawyers in Bihar asked Charles Freer Andrews to stay back and to fight with Gandhi because they thought that it would give their cause a bit of legitimacy. ठीक है, कि हमारी साइड ब्रिटिश लोग भी हैं, जैसे लगान पिक्चर में था ना, लगान में तुमने देखा है कि उनके साइड एक औरत भी आ गई थी।
हाँ, एक लेडी थी,
है ना, उनको रूल सिखाई थी जिसने, तो यही है एक तरीके से। तो दे वर नॉट कंप्लीटली सेल्फ रिलायंट, उनकी साइड एक अंग्रेज आ गया था, तो उन्हें बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि देखो हमारी साइड भी अंग्रेज आ गए, राइट, और ये हमको ही सिखा रही है, मतलब हम कुछ अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट।
तो सर वो वॉलंटियरी जो था ना, हेल्थ कंडीशंस, मतलब डॉक्टर लाना, वो भी तो एक सेल्फ रिलायंस का एग्जांपल है।
वो वाला भी है, yes, because it says people in Bihar. So first incident was that where Gandhi asked them to believe in themselves if they are fighting for a just cause, ठीक है? Then we come back to the peasants. Right from cleanliness
Sanitization
to health
And
care.
community
Sanitation.
sanitation.
Community sanitation.
Sanitation.
सैनिटाइजेशन बोल दिया गलती से।
Community sanitization, healthcare to community
सर
sanitization.
आप भी सैनिटाइजेशन बोल रहे हैं।
मैंने भी पहले ही
हाँ, आप क्या? ठीक है, इट्स ओके, वो एक ही वर्ड से बना है, सैनिटाइजेशन, सैनिटेशन।
दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
डिफरेंस तो है बहुत, ऑब्वियसली। सैनिटेशन मतलब साफ सफाई, सैनिटाइजेशन मतलब साफ सफाई कर, उसको एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया को जो इन्फेक्टेड है उसको सैनिटाइज करके क्लीन कर दिया गया एकदम. सैनिटेशन इज नॉर्मल क्लीनलीनेस विदाउट जर्म्स. ठीक है. और then that's it. I think these are the things that Gandhi taught them, to be self-reliant and believe in themselves. First one was this, and this was अब ये long answer type question में आ जाए अगर तो there are some questions जो short answer में मैंने तुम्हें दिए हैं अभी, वही same question मैं तुम्हें long answer में भी कराऊंगा. ठीक है. So I will give you that. Which one was that? I will give you this. This is one of those questions that we will do in long answer type as well, right? So Indigo chapter is one of the easiest chapters, and इससे question आता ही आता है. इससे हम objective type questions भी करेंगे. So to do objective type questions, I will give you a Google quiz very simply. ठीक है. तो तुम simple उसमें facts हैं, because इसमें facts हैं, and इससे objective type questions बनाना बहुत easy है. So it's a high probability that इससे objective type questions आ सकते हैं. And so we will do that as well. And these questions I'm giving you in the Google Classroom along with the PDF of the PPT. So you people have to write short answer type questions. कितने questions हैं? 9 questions हैं. It will take you 9 to 18 minutes. ठीक है. That's it. Okay. Tomorrow we do long answer type questions, and I request everybody to please watch the video and come, because otherwise the class becomes monotonous. Okay. Anything anyone has to add? Okay.
Sir, is evening's class.
Remaining class?
आज शाम का क्लास इवनिंग.
Today we'll have a class. We'll write a report.
मैंने
Today
तो
we'll have it.
लिखा. So I will give
हाँ.
it to you by tomorrow.
It's okay, fine, no issues. उस वाले के लिए there's no deadline. You write it on your own free time. It is only for people who are self-motivated. ठीक है? If you can write it at any time, I'm there to check it. No issues. But writing is more important, most important, right? Everybody should write it. If you're attending the class and if you're seeing things being done, you should try to write them as well, right? Because it is for your own benefit. It is not just going to help you, I'm telling you, in English, in every other subject. तुम्हारा इससे bio में improve होगा, तुम्हारा इससे economics में improve होगा. Because writing, you don't do that much. वहाँ पे तुम facts learn करते हो, and you don't write there that much as well. But writing anywhere improves your writing. So wherever you will write, you will be better. ठीक है? All right. Thank you, everyone. Just giving the questions in the Google Classroom.